Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nur Zaini Izwabitu Zulkifli and my men's number is 23DKM 19F1056 and I with my partner.
My number is 23DKM19F1049.
So today we as a representative to explain about square bar and straight bit in TIG welding machine. So stay tuned. Hi, so I will explain for safety procedure for TIG machine. So firstly, keep the hand tool on place after job done. Number 2, never talk while working on machine. Number 3, keep your work area clean and dry. Number 4, always stop machine for adjustment and measurement. Number 5, always use brush to remove chips and curls. Never use hand. Number 6, never lean against machine. And the last, never put things on machine while operating.
TIG equipment component is tungsten electrode, welding machine, torch or electrode holder, shielding gas supply, filter metal rod, and personal safety equipment. How I can set up my TIG welder? Connect torch. When using an air-cooled torch, use the adapter from your accessory package and plug the torch into the front of your machine. Also connect your gas hose and regulator. Second, connect remote control. Plug your foot pedal or fingertip control into the machine. 3. Connect work clamp. Plug your work clamp into the machine, clamp the other end to your workpiece or work table. 4. Select polarity. For aluminum welding, switch your appraise setting on the front panel to AC. For steel and steel alloy welding, switch your apparent setting to DCEN. 5. Prepare tungsten. Grind your tungsten to a point. When welding on aluminium, the tungsten will begin to form a ball. If the ball grows to the same diameter as your tungsten, refine the tungsten. 6. Assemble torch. Loosen the back cap and remove the 3/32 diameter tungsten before your torch. Remove the nozzle and copper collet pitch from your torch. Put the collet and collet body back into the torch and tighten. Put the nozzle back onto the torch. 7. Install tungsten. Place the tungsten into the collet. Lift about 1/8 to 1/4 in, sticking out of the collet. Tighten the back cap. 8. Check the connect power. Measure the power supply you are connecting to match the rating of your machine. Rating label on Now I will explain a little bit now how to make a square butt joint. First, we brush the workpiece using an iron brush so that there is no rust, or so that we can weld neatly. Second, we take another iron for the base of the workpiece, because the iron table is connected together with a cable clip, so that current can flow to the workpiece. Mark and weld both ends of the last workpiece. Then you can weld to the end of the workpiece according to the speed and angle in accordance with the power that has been set.
Now my turn to share to you guys safety operating procedure for TIG machine for straight bit. And first we need to know the procedure, which is arc is dropped between the non-consumable tungsten electrode and the workpiece to fuse metals. Arc is covered by a layer of shielding gas which acts as the flux and keeps the nitrogen and oxygen in the air from coming in contact with the molten powder. Then when the powder is formed on the base metal, the torch is moved along the joint until the workpiece is fused together. A filler rod may or may not be used. If a filler rod is used, it should be the same composition as the base metal. The filler rod is manually into the leading edge of the powder. And last, the torch may be moved in a semicircular motion to vary the width of the bit. Now how the work is start, which is collect the workpiece and check the size of the workpiece. Number 2, mark the portion to be welded. Number 3, clean the portion to be welded by using steel wire brush. Place the workpiece on the welding table and hold it with suitable clamp. Number 5, check the earth connection to the welding cable. Number 6, grip the welding electrode on the electrode holder and adjust the output currently nearly 110 ampere and switch on the welding transformer. Check for the arc on a waste piece. And lastly is do the welding on the marked space and remove the slack from the welding bit after cooling by using a chipping hammer. And the final is cleaning to be done by using a steel wire brush. And make sure wearing PPE when doing this welding job. That's all from me. Thank you.